Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been searching for that perfect glow, the one that gives you that luminous, dewy look without feeling heavy or cakey, you're in for a treat today. Today, we're talking about the TEMPTU SB silicone-based airbrush highlighter starter set. It promises long-lasting, buildable shimmer and a natural light-reflecting glow. If you're looking for something that can elevate your makeup without compromising on a light, weightless feel, this might just be the highlighter you need. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a closer look at this product. It comes in a set with 6 different shades, designed to add a natural luminosity to the skin. The formula is silicone-based, meaning it's buildable, and layers nicely on top of your foundation or bare skin. It's marketed as a weightless, long-wearing highlighter that provides a subtle yet noticeable shimmer, ideal for those of us who love a glow but want to avoid anything too heavy or glittery. When I first tried this out, I was impressed by how lightweight the formula felt. It blended seamlessly into the skin, almost as if it wasn't there. The texture is smooth and it's easy to apply, whether you're using a brush or your fingers. The real standout, though, is how buildable it is. You can start with a light touch for a natural look, or layer it up for a more intense glow. It doesn't leave streaks or patches, which is a common issue I've had with other liquid highlighters. I tested it out during my morning skincare routine, applying it after foundation and setting spray, and it held up beautifully throughout the day. No touch-ups needed. That's a big win, especially when you're looking for something that won't fade after a few hours. But, like with any product, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the shades are on the lighter side, which works great for light to medium skin tones. If you have a darker complexion, the shades might not pop as much as you'd like, so it's something to consider if you're looking for a more universal shade range. Also, if you have oily skin, you might want to be careful about layering too much, as the silicone base could make things look a bit greasy. On the plus side, the long-lasting formula and buildable coverage are definitely its strongest points. I love how it gives a lit-from-within look that isn't over the top. It's subtle enough for everyday wear, but can also be built up for a night out. Plus, the packaging is sleek and easy to use, and the set gives you plenty of options to customize your glow. Now, let's talk about value for money. At its price point, this highlighter is definitely on the more premium side. But given how long it lasts and how versatile the shades are, I'd say it's worth the investment, especially for anyone who loves experimenting with their makeup and wants to create different levels of glow. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other highlighter options that may give you similar results, but perhaps without the same level of buildable luxury. If you're in the market for alternatives, brands like Becca and Fenty Beauty offer solid liquid highlighters that are also buildable, though the TEMPTU formula is unique in its smooth, airbrushed finish. You can find good options for a more affordable price though, depending on your needs and budget. When it comes to build quality, this product is top-notch. The packaging is sleek and the formula is well thought out, ensuring that each drop of highlighter is easy to apply and won't waste. It's definitely a product made with attention to detail, which is something I really appreciate. As far as customer support goes, TEMPTU is known for its responsive service. I didn't have any direct interactions with them this time, but from previous experiences, I can say they're pretty reliable if you ever have questions or issues. So to wrap things up, the TEMPTU SB silicone-based airbrush highlighter starter set is a fantastic option for anyone looking to add a natural glow to their makeup routine. Its lightweight, buildable formula provides a long-lasting, radiant finish without feeling heavy or greasy. If you're someone who loves a subtle shimmer that lasts all day, this could be the perfect highlighter for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.